In a colorful village hidden among the tall mountains of Swat lived a bright little girl named Tara. She wore shiny bangles, had wild curly hair, and loved solving puzzles more than anything else in the world. One morning, Tara found a green parrot in a basket outside her door. To her surprise, the parrot squawked, "Salam, I am Zuzu, and I can talk more than your uncle." Tara giggled. She'd never met a bird with so many jokes. In the nearby bazaar, a greedy trader was stealing fruits from the villagers. Tara had an idea. She whispered her clever plan to Zuzu. The next morning, Zuzu flew to the trader's stall and shouted, "He hides mangoes under the table." Everyone turned to look. Thanks to Zuzu, the villagers caught the greedy trader red-handed. They cheered for Tara and her parrot. From that day on, Zuzu became the village hero. And Tara? She became known as the Puzzle Princess of the Mountains.
Please like and subscribe to Soul Experience. Thank you.